Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, in our previous videos we discussed about big, small, heavy, light, after, before, tall, short, thick, thin, etc. Yes or no? Yes, we have discussed about more or less also. Yes or no? Yes. So we have discussed in our previous videos these all concepts, right? Today we will do some questions based on the same topics. Okay children? So are you able to see here? One question is there. Yes, right? So what is the question? Put tick mark. Do you know tick mark? Yes, this mark is called as tick mark. Okay? On more. So here two pictures will be there. Two blocks will be there. Which one is more? You have to tick that. And do you know this one? Yes, this is called as cross. Okay. So this is tick, this is cross. So cross on the less objects. That means I said you right. So two blocks will be there. In which block you have more things, you have to tick that. And in the block where there are less objects, you have to cross that one. Okay. So here one box is there. Are you able to see? You have to cross or tick in this box. Okay. Now let's see more or less. You know the concept of more or less. More means what? If the number of that object is more. Okay. Less means what? If the number of that object is lesser compared to the other block. Okay. So let's see here. Are you able to see two blocks are there? Okay. Two things are separately there. So here you can see how many pencils are there. Count with me. 1, 2. How many pencils are there? 1, 2. 2 pencils are there. Okay. Now let's count balls. Are you able to see the balls? Yes. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So children, here in this block you have 2 pencils. But here you have 9 balls. So can you tell me which one is more? Yes, here balls we have more number. So here you have to tick. So how to tick? Like this you have to tick. And this one is less, right? Lesser than balls. So here you have to cross. So this is called as cross. X. Okay. So here more. So you have to tick this. Here less. So you have to cross. Okay. Now moving to the next question. Now here in the B1, here see birds are there and here cats are there. So can you tell me which one is more or less? Let's count. Okay. So count with me. 1, 2. How many birds are there? 2 birds are there. How many cats are there? 1, 2, 3. So which one is more? Yes, we have more cats, right? So that's why we have to tick this. So how to tick? Tick correctly. Okay, this one is called as tick. Now here this is less, right? So we have to cross this. Okay children? Yes. Hope you got. Now moving to the C bait. Okay. So here what are there? Yes, here in this picture 1, 2. 2 turtles are there, right? Here you have to cross. Here we have less tortoise. So here you have to cross. Okay. Now moving to the next picture. So D bit what is there? Yes, here one block is there and here one block is there. Now let's count to know which one we have more and which one we have lesser. Okay. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ice cream balls are there? 6. Do you like ice creams? Yes, right? So here how many balls are there? 6 balls are there. Now here how many apples are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many apples are there? Yes, we have only 3. So here which one? So here we have 6 ice cream balls. Here we have only 3 apples. So which one is more? Yes, this one is more. So here you have to tick. No need to write the number, okay? Here you have to tick or cross. Only that thing you have to do. Okay. So here, because this is lesser than ice creams, so here you have to cross this. Okay, children. Now moving to the second question. Now children, as I said you, so we have already discussed about big and small. Do you remember the teddy bear? Yes, big and small, right? So what is the question? So tick, so this is the tick mark, right? So tick the big and cross the small. So children, by seeing the picture, you have to tick the bigger one and you have to cross the smaller one. Okay. So let's see, are you able to see two elephants are there? Yes, so in the A bit we have two elephants. So can you tell me which one is bigger? Yes, this one is bigger elephant, right? So big, small. So for big, what do you have to do? Yes, you have to tick. So here you have to tick and here you have to cross. Okay? Yes, now moving to the second picture. So here in the B bit, you have two houses. Okay? So can you tell me which one is the bigger one? Yes, this one is the bigger house. So here what you have to do? Yes, you have to tick. And here for the smaller house, you have to cross. Okay? Yes. Now moving to the C one. Are you able to see two parrots are there? Yes, children. So can you tell me which one is bigger? Yes, this one is the bigger parrot. Okay, big parrot. And this one is the smaller one. So for big, you have to tick. For small, you have to cross. Okay. Now moving to the last one. This is, are you able to see in the D bit, we have two tree pictures, right? Which one is the correct one? Sorry, which one is the bigger one? Yes, this tree is bigger and this one is smaller. So here you have to tick. So here you have to tick and here you have to cross, children. Okay? Yes. So hope you understood. So you have to complete page number what? Page number 13. Okay, page number 13, 14, 15. Yes, till 15 you have to complete. Okay. So complete this one. In the next video we will discuss about third question. Okay. Bye.